Ready for a fresh identity in Delta Force? Learn how to change your in-game nickname and update your presence on the battlefield. Changing your in-game nickname in Delta Force is a feature that allows you to personalize your identity on the battlefield. This process is typically handled directly within the game launcher. So, what you want to do is, click on the profile icon on the top right corner, go to the cross button. Then, select the option that says Account Center. In the tab that opens up, you should see an option there labeled Username. Next to the option, there should be a button labeled Edit. Tap on that button. Then, you'll be able to change your username as you see fit. You might need to change a few characters in your username for it to work. Once it's done, click on OK. Close the Account Center and open it again to double check. And that's about it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.